Right on our head.
It is about 5 a.m. We're gonna go duck hunting this morning. I've got Maggie with me today. She is 8 years old. You've seen her in previous episodes. She's been duck hunting before one other time, but we didn't get any ducks. So today we're gonna change that. The weather's pretty good. I'm hoping the wind picks up a little bit, but it's a nice clear day. There's a little pond there off the main lake that the ducks fly over. It's a new spot. I've never duck hunted here before. But that seems to be this whole week. Just new spot after new spot. I love it. We're seeing a ton of ducks. We're having a ton of fun. I think it's going to be wild for Maggie to see. Let's get on the water. Not a lot of traffic today. Okay, tip it down a little bit. Yeah, good. All right, decoys are out, huh, Maggie? Nice little spread of decoys here. I've got a little channel in the middle of them, so the ducks will try and fly right up through that channel and land. And still got about 20 minutes before legal shooting light, so we should be good. Plenty of time to just chill out, wait for ducks. Yeah, that's okay. Good. It's like having decoys, you know. We got about 5 minutes before we can legally shoot here. Maybe 4 minutes now. We just had 2 mallards come in and land, so this is a good sign, good start. Wait, I got a clock on my wrist. I don't need to. I got 1 more minute. I can shoot. They're a little too far now. Let's take them out. Just hold still. It's gonna be loud, okay? Look at them both. Let's try and get 2 in 1 shot. Ready? You got 1, buddy. You see him?
Yeah.
High five. Got our first duck. Yeah, he's swimming around. I think I killed him. Should I go pick him up? All right. Worked out perfectly. First minute of legal shooting light, we got ourselves a duck. I was hoping to get 2 there with that 1 shot, but they were pretty far out. They came in and landed on the decoys about 5 minutes before we could legally shoot them. They swam around out here. I don't have a call, which was a bit of an oversight, but got a duck. Maggie got to see her first duck get shot. It was sitting, so hopefully we get some flyers here pretty soon too. I can see a duck flying way over in the distance here, so I'm gonna get this one quick and go sit down.
Another duck just landed.
And it's right next to me.
You're right. Sit down, buddy. Stay sitting. Go back to your spot. I'll be right there. Don't yell next time, okay, Dells?
Okay.
Wait until I come back. Look at our first duck. Look at how big it is.
Yeah.
Beauty, huh? What a beaut. That was weird that one came in when I was out there splashing around. Isn't that crazy? Where did it land? Over here?
Right there.
Really?
Yeah.
That's funny because I didn't actually see it. Sometimes they circle around too. Sometimes they come in, they don't land, and they fly away and then they come back. So it's important to just sit still and wait for them, and when you see them coming in, even if they don't land, you know, sometimes. Instead of trying to shoot them a long ways away, it's better to just wait a little bit, see what happens, you know. Oh, there's one over there. See him coming in? Right there, start filming. See him coming in? Look, he's right here, he's right here. See him? Just wait, hold still, try not to move much. Pretty slow today. Can't believe how slow it is. I just told Victor. I sent Victor a message saying it's very slow. Should we move? And we need to go to a different spot or something. Shouldn't be this slow, buddy. Don't you think?
Yeah.
It's just strange that they're not flying around, huh? Mac, 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 mac. Well, should we try a different spot? Pretty bad. Yeah. So what we will do now is get our deeks, and I'll bring back the spinner. Watch for more ducks though, just in case one comes in while we're goofing around, you know. Well, we picked up that one female mallard. It landed with a male there in the dark, and that's pretty much it. I mean, it was a rough, slow morning for this area. Spot number 2. We're actually back. We were here yesterday. It's a great spot. See a lot of ducks.
You go first.
The morning is not over. Oops, you're okay. Should we keep going?
Yeah.
Let's go over there where there was hundreds of them, huh?
Yeah.
That looks like the secret spot, I think. All right. Pound, buddy. It's gonna be fun. All right, watch closely. Remember, there's one swimming in the reeds somewhere back here. Oh, there's one. There's one. See it? It's coming to us. You see it?
No.
Oh, it's went up. Oh, good, good. Just wait. Gotta wait until it comes a little closer. It's coming. Yeah. Got him. Maggie.
Okay, I'm gonna go with the boat because I can't go that way.
No, just stay here. I gotta shoot it again, it looks like. Let me see if I can go out there to get this one, or if it's gonna be too deep for me. Look at that, buddy.
It's the same one.
Look at that. Different kind. See?
Kind of
White.
Yeah.
White stomach. High five. Well, let's sit down for a little while longer, huh? I guess we kind of have to now. They seem to still be flying a little bit. Okay, good. Oh, there's 2 more. Oh, there's 3 more. Oh my gosh, there's 2 more bunch more, 4 more. Scoops.
Dad.
Just wait, we gotta wait for them to come to us. Oh, there's another one. Oh my gosh, Scoops. I'm glad we waited. I'm glad we waited. They're gonna see our decoys and eventually some of them are gonna come over here, you know? Oh, look at that one. That's a good one. That's a wood duck. It's a wood duck. Get him. Oh, I missed. That was cool. I just landed. We just came right in and landed. I'll go and try and get this wood duck. All right. Wow. First wood duck just went down. Gotta go find him. There he is. Got him. There we go. First ever wood duck. Beautiful. Out here with Maggie. Shot him from a distance and had to come over here and chase him down, and I see a bunch of other ones flying over, so let's get back to hunting. Third duck of the morning with Maggie. Good job, buddy. You're quick. Look at that wood duck I got. I kind of had to shoot him again. So
Red on it.
I shot him again, so his beak got all messed up. But look at his eyes. A red eye. Isn't that cool? Actually not as red as it was because it's been dead for a while, but it's pretty cool. Let's go around this corner where we're in the shade. There's a bunch of ducks, Maggie. They're flying from over there. And they're coming right up this little alley to go over to that pack. And then as they're flying by, I get to shoot at them. So let's sit down here in the shade. There. Good. Now we just wait for them and watch.
He'll drop, he'll.
Boy, he's right in the sun.
Yeah,
I can't believe I didn't get him on that first shot, buddy.
yeah.
Good shot. Oh, let's get out of this.
Yes, sir, yeah.
Stand and wait. How you doing?
Good.
Comfortable?
Yeah.
Found a good spot there, didn't you?
Yeah.
Very good. Let's go ahead and just go back and then we can come here tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm gonna go back and
Yeah.
come here tomorrow.
Feeling back home would be good?
Yeah.
All right.
But first, I want to check the decoys.
All right, let's go by the decoys.
Ducky, ducky, duck.
What'd you think of duck hunting?
Good.
You remember this one before, so you know how it goes. Let me see here. Clip here. Even though we didn't do very good last time, we don't go in. You at least remember how it goes, how it works, right?
Some leaks. Okay.
All right, go All right, quasi-successful morning. 3 ducks. We had to work for them. We'll be back. You know what time it is. Time to go duck hunting. It's actually 5 in the morning, but it's windy. It's about 15 miles an hour. We're gonna go for a day 2 here with Maggie Lures because yesterday wasn't amazing. I think today is gonna be amazing. And we're gonna go back to the wood duck spot, the spot where I got my first wood duck. Let's pack it in here. I'm almost ready. Just gotta finish some coffee and get my waders on. Let's get after it.
Did you feel the fence? Good job, buddy. I remember right after this little muskrat mound that we're sitting on. Oh, I hear the ducks. Nice. Beauty.
How awesome is that?
Good. Is it a wood duck?
2 ducks. I got the first shot of the day, I got a duck, and the second pack that came in, I got a duck. Wow. Awesome. Look at that. Let's get some more. I hear them quacking.
So do I.
They're close.
Oh, there's one that went right over us. Maggie, watch what's going on. There's one duck. Look at these 2.
Yeah.
Got him. Got him.
Yeah!
Maggie Lures, 2 geese. Wow. Is that fun or what? We better go get them, huh?
Yeah.
Maggie, they came right over us. How crazy was that? Give me 5, buddy. Yeah. See one there and one over there. Yeah. I think they're dead and they're just gonna float to us. So we'll just wait. You gonna stand out here with me?
Yeah.
And plug yours if I'm gonna shoot, okay? I'll go get that one that's floated almost to us.
Okay.
And you watch me because I'll probably shoot ducks if they fly by. Did you hear them splash?
Yeah.
Big splash. Boom.
I gotta go get the other one. It's swimming away, okay? All right, we got one spoonbill. We shot one spoonbill on the first shot of the day. And then we shot a gadwall, you saw them. And that was the second group that came in. And then we got 2 geese. But one of them, instead of blowing down with the waves to us, he actually swam up here. He was injured. And then he went into the reeds. And I tried to chase him down, but I lost him. They're big animals. He's sneaky. He's in those reeds somewhere, and I just spent a ton of time just crashing through the reeds trying to find him. You need a dog for something like that, unfortunately. Whew, it's a lot of work out here. Maggie's having fun. I'm having fun. I got to get this thing back on my head because you never know when a pack of ducks is just going to come over. Even if I'm standing out here in the middle, they seem to just come by sometimes, and you just hold still and get opportunities. All right, let's get back at it. Limit is 6, and we've got 2. Yeah, I couldn't find the other one. He went into the reeds. Are you ready now? Better go back to your side, huh? Your spot. Let's back. Oh, look at all the blackbirds.
Oh, just shoot one now.
Oh my gosh, Maggie. Whoa! It went right in front of us.
Yeah.
Well, I don't want to shoot shots. I'll scare the ducks. Cool, huh? Whoa!
Oh,
Right on our head.
get the video, Dad.
I am. I got the GoPro going. That's the nice thing about GoPro. They just go and go. Look at these crazy blackbirds. They're going right over our heads. Come on, let's go back this way and get some wood ducks, huh? Watch that. Got him. See, he dropped. See his head go down? Got him. You want to go get that one? That'll be your duck. Pick up. Good job, buddy. Here, hold this for just a second. Okay. Strange looking duck, huh?
Yeah.
Wow, so strange. Good job, buddy.
Okay, watch this.
Oh yeah, don't shoot or it'll hurt you.
Oh no, I'm holding
Got a lot of pop to it. All right, pop to your spot. Last couple minutes.
What?
Last couple minutes.
Alright.
I know it's 8:20. We've got 10 more minutes. Where are these buggers, huh? Should we pack it up and hunt on the way back? Like hunt back through those reeds and try and get one?
Yeah.
All right. I think we've done enough hunting. We did really good today. All right. Now that was a wild time, huh, Maggie?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got into them today. We only had about 45 minutes to hunt today, so we had to go quick, but we got into them. We had fun. We got 3 ducks. We got a coot, which is my first time shooting a coot. Apparently they don't taste that great, but we got 3 ducks. We'll take it. And we got a goose. And again, we had that injured goose. So we had a fun time overall. Yesterday was pretty fun too with that first wood duck. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And we'll be doing it again soon with Jerome. Hey, Maggie?
Yeah.